Hey guys, it's Caleb from Rokblokz. Today in the shop we're working on the Civic Type R. We've got a mesh and block off for the front vents. So let's go ahead and show you how to install those. Here we have the tools laid down that you'll need for install. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, some pry tools, and a level. Here we have the front block off plates that you'll get in your kit. You'll have the choice of either a fully blocked off one or a mesh grate one, and then the hardware. We'll go ahead and put a breakdown of that hardware on the screen right now. Now let's head to the vehicle and begin installing. Here we are at the front fender. We're going to begin by removing the factory screws located here, here, and here, and then the final two factory inserts located here and here. With the inserts, you'll just use your pry tool. The factory ones are pretty stubborn and you may end up breaking them. We've loosened ours. We're just going to pull them out. And then with the factory screws, it's just a Phillips head drive or a Phillips head screwdriver. We're just going to go ahead, get those out of the way, and set those to the side. Now we're going to take our mesh block off piece and we're going to put it behind the liner. So we're going to peel the liner out and then we're going to tuck it in behind the liner, aligning the upper hole and the bottom hole with the holes in the fender vent right here. Now we're just going to take the liner, tuck it back into its original place. Now that we've got our liner back in place, to fully secure your fender vent mesh or block off plate, we're going to take our two large push-in inserts and we're going to push them into the top and bottom holes. You can also return your factory screws to their locations here, here, and here. Fully tighten those, press your inserts in all the way, and now you've installed your block off plate or your mesh in your fender vent.